Southwest Asia and Africa test. Write your name, date, and class period. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 1. Mohammed Bouazizi started the Arab Spring by doing what? A. Led the first peaceful protest against a corrupt government. B. Brought social media awareness to the Arab countries. C. Set himself on fire to show bad treatment by local officials. Or D. Led the first violent protest against dictators. Question number 2. The Arab Spring took place in the blank and blank. Is it A. the United States and Europe? B. the Middle East and North Africa? C. Australia and the United States? D. North Africa and Europe? Question number 3. What social media did the protesters use to show public awareness of their protest during the Arab Spring? Is it A. Facebook? B. Twitter? C. Snapchat? Or D. Instagram? Question number 4. According to the News Ella article, The Arab Spring, how did Tunisians and Syrians experience the Arab Spring differently? Is it A. Tunisian protesters were never treated violently by the government, while Syrian protesters were attacked by soldiers? B. Tunisian protesters were quickly able to replace their ruler with new leaders, while Syrian protesters got a new leader after a long battle? C. Tunisian protesters were able to replace their government for new leaders, while Syrian protesters are still fighting a deadly civil war? Or D. Tunisian protesters were treated violently by their government, while Syrian protesters were helped by the international community? Question number 5. Political trade barriers are policies passed by a blank to regulate trade. Is it A. countries? B. nations? C. government? Or D. states? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 6. Tariffs are blanks placed on imported goods. Is it A. taxes? B. fines? C. limits? Or D. policies? Question number 7. Embargoes are another political barrier to trade. If an embargo is set, nations can blank. A. refuse to trade. B. welcome more trade. C. an official ban on trade. Or D. set fines on trade. Question number 8. The purpose of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, is to blank. Is it A. regulate the price of oil? B. allow countries to set the price of oil? C. stop oil from exporting? Or D. sets laws on oil policies? Question number 9. According to the article in Junior Scholastic, The Brink of War, which event caused a crisis in January 2020? Is it A. the U.S. and the United Kingdom stage a coup in Iran to install the Shah? B. Iranians seized the U.S. embassy in Iran? C. the U.S. pulled out an agreement limiting Iran's nuclear programs? Or D. The U.S. killed Iran's top military leader, Major General Qasem Soleimani? Question number 10. According to the article in Junior Scholastic, The Brink of War, the U.S. suspected Iran of developing A plan to become allies with Russia, B, a plan to build nuclear weapons, C, a plan to increase more trade, or D, a plan to attack Russia? Question number 11. According to the article in Junior Scholastic, The Brink of War, the U.S. broke off diplomatic ties with Iran after dozens of Americans were taken hostage in blank. Was it A, 1953, B, 1979, C, 1995, D, 2015? Question number 12. According to the article in Junior Scholastic, The Brink of War, the United States were concerned that Iran may be building nuclear weapons because of this may impose an economic blank. A, sanction, B, barrier, C, tariff, D, trade. Question number 13. What is the largest lake in Africa? A, Lake Chad, B, Lake Victoria, C, Lake Nasser, or D, Lake Tanganyika? Question number 14. What is the largest desert in the world? Is it A, Sahel, B, Sahara, C, Arabian, or D, Gobi? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 15. What is the name of the world's longest river that is located in Africa? Is it A, Congo River, B, Nile River, C, Senegal River, or D, Limpopo River? Question number 16. What is the name of the desert that stretches across most of North Africa? Is it A, Savanna, B, Sahara, C, Sahel, or D, Kalahari? Remember, before choosing your answer, to look at that picture. That picture will help you determine the correct answer. It's not a full desert, but it's turning into a desert. Question number 17. What is the name of the second longest river in Africa located in this region on the map? Is it A, Nile River, B, Congo River, C, Orange River, or D, Zambezi River? Question number 18. In this geographic region, you will find which mountain? Is it A, Atlas Mountains, B, Mount Kilimanjaro, C, Agar Mountains, or D, Mount Meru? Question number 19. Africa's savanna is home to many of the world's most diverse animals. An accurate description of Africa's savannas would be A, rocky mountains with cliffs, B, rolling grasslands with scattered trees, C, deserts with sand dunes, or D, plains and shrubs. Question number 20. What type of government allows citizens to vote directly or indirectly during elections? Is it A, monarchy, B, dictatorship, C, theocracy, or D, democracy? Question number 21. What type of democratic government limits the monarch's control? Is it A, totalitarian, B, constitutional monarchy, C, dictatorship, or D, absolute monarchy? Remember that you can pause this video at any time. Question 22. Based on the image in the chart, how does the movie Black Panther represent traditional African culture? Is it A, the plot of the movie is based on the history of Africa? B, the costumes were influenced by traditional African tribal clothing? C, the movie is not a true representation of African culture? Or D, the characters in the movie are based on historical figures? Question 23. According to the News Ella article, Life on the Desert, the Bedouin gained new territory and converts. What was the long-term effect of the Bedouin invasion? Is it A, the Bedouin were responsible for the rise of the Islam throughout northern Africa? B, the Bedouin destroyed their towns and cities, so the Berbers fled to the coast? C, the Berbers lost all their territory and were forced to join with their captors? Or D, the Berbers adapted to modern life and began to live in towns and cities? Question 24. According to the News Ella article, Life on the Desert, the Bedouins, what is a Bedouin? Is it A, Arab nomads, B, Australian nomads, C, Arabian nomads, or D, Asian nomads? Question 25. According to the News Ella article, Life on the Desert, the Bedouin, what was the first territory the Bedouin conquered? Is it A, Sahel Desert, B, Sahara Desert, C, Namib Desert, or D, Kalahari Desert? Question 26. In terms of land area, where does Africa rank among the 7 continents? A, first, B, second, C, third, or D, fourth? Question 27. What African lake is both the second largest freshwater lake in the world by volume and the second deepest lake in the world? Is it A, Lake Victoria, B, Lake Chad, C, Lake Tanganyika, or D, Lake Malawi? Remember that you can pause this video at any time. Please go back and check your answers. If you erased an answer, make sure that you double check to erase the old answer. Good luck. Take your time.